Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're ready to add a Gmail account. Start by opening Jiohotstar and going straight to the profile area. Make sure the app is updated and your device has a stable internet connection. You'll need the Gmail address and password or access to the phone for two-step verification. Once done, tap the profile icon, choose Sign In or Manage Accounts, and select Add Account so the Google sign-in flow can begin. This moves you into the Google authentication step. Now follow the Google sign-in flow. Select Add Account, then choose Google. If your Gmail is already on the device, pick it. Otherwise, type the email and password. You might be asked for two-step verification, enter the code, or approve the prompt. Hotstar will request permissions for basic profile and email, accept those so playback and personalization work. Make sure to wait for the confirmation screen. Do not back out while tokens exchange, because that completes the app linkage. Finish by returning to the profile screen and verifying your Gmail shows as the signed-in account. Then start a short video to confirm playback and entitlement. If you have multiple profiles, set the default profile under account settings so recommendations match. Once everything works, sign out of any unwanted accounts. If sign-in fails, try clearing Hotstar cache, update the app, or disable VPN. These steps often resolve token or web view authentication errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.